Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Illegal detention. Court fixes March 21 for ruling in Sowore's fundamental rights suit against Department of State Services. Illegal detention. Court fixes March 21 for ruling in Sowore's fundamental rights suit against Department of State Services. To my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, stay tuned as I read today's news. Justice Īllēgāl of the Federal High Court, Abuja, has fixed March 21, 2020 for the ruling in enforcement of fundamental rights suit filed by human rights activist Omoyele Sowore against the lawless operatives of Department of State Service over his illegal arrest and detention on August 3, 2019, Sahara reporters report. The suit marked FHC ABJ-CS 1407 2019 was filed on November 15, 2019. The activist is asking the court to declare that his unlawful detention by the DSS as illegal and a gross violation of his Fundamental Rights Liberty Information Guide Nigeria. He is also seeking an order of the court compelling the DSS to pay him the sum of 500 million naira as general and aggravated damages for the illegal violation of the applicant's fundamental right to life, dignity of his person, fair hearing, health, freedom of movement, and freedom of association. At the resumed hearing of the case 2 years after it was filed, Sowore's counsel Abubakar Marshal, while responding to the preliminary objection filed by the respondent, narrated how his client was tortured and arrested in a Gestapo manner on August 3, 2019, in a Lagos State hotel for planning to organize a protest against bad government policies. He also referred the court to the ruling of a high court in Lagos in May 4, 2020, which held that the arrest and disruption of the protest organized by the applicant was illegal. He also cited the case of Sambo Dasuki versus DG DSS, where the service flouted the order of the court ordering his release from illegal detention JAMB result. He said the DSS had history and record of impunity of disobeying court orders. Marshal therefore urged the court to dismiss the objection raised by the defendant for lack of merit and grant all the reliefs sought by the applicant. In their own submission, counsels to the DSS and Attorney General of Federation, Awo and Abdullahi Abubakar, respectively urged the court to dismiss Sowore's suit on the ground that he was arrested in Lagos but the suit was filed in Abuja. Other reliefs sought by Sowore in the suit included a declaration that the detention of the applicant from November 7, 2019 till date, in violation of the order for his release made on November 6, 2019, is illegal as it violates his fundamental right to liberty guaranteed by Section 35 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, and Article 6 of African Charter on Human and People's Rights Ratification and Enforcement Act Cap A10, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. An order of perpetual injunction restraining the respondent from further violating the applicant's fundamental right in any manner whatsoever and however without lawful justification. Sowore was arrested on August 3, 2019 for calling on Nigerians to embark on a peaceful demonstration to demand a better country for the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari, while Bakare was arrested on August 5, 2019 for participating in the protest. The case, which came up before Justice Obiora Atu on Monday, was scheduled for mention, and after the counsels for the parties involved in the case mentioned their appearances, the court fixed January 26, 2022 for the hearing of substantive application. Justice Īllēgāl of the Federal High Court, Abuja, has fixed March 21, 2022 for the ruling in enforcement of fundamental rights suit filed by human rights activist Omoyele Sowore against the lawless operatives of Department of State Service over his illegal arrest and detention on August 3, 2019, Sahara Reporters report. The suit marked FHC ABJ CS 1407 2019 was filed on November 15, 2019. The activist is asking the court to declare that his unlawful detention by the DSS as illegal and a gross violation of his fundamental right to liberty. Information Guide, Nigeria. To my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your